Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is everything I picked up at CVS in my second haul. This is the sales week of October 25th through October 31st. This is a smaller haul because I did not physically have all of my CRTs. I like to have all of them so I can separate them into sections like household, feminine care, makeup, baby. It's easier for me to do my deals that way because I can go through the sections and then pair them with the deals in the ad. But I didn't have my CRTs for this week, only for last week, and I wanted to do some deals before those expired. So these are the items that I grabbed yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the items I picked up in store, and then we'll come back at the end and go over the receipts. The first transaction I'm going to do is the Maybelline. This week they're spend 12, get a $5 extra care book with a limit of 3 right here. So I'm going to do the deal 3 times. I'm going to max it out. I'm going to grab 2 of these liquid lipsticks priced at $9.49. And then I'm going to grab 2 of these foundations priced at $8.49. Total for these 4 items is going to be $35.96. I'm going to use this $2 off a Maybelline lip. I also have a $2 digital for the other one. I'm going to use this $1.50 off any Maybelline face, and I have a digital also. I also have this buy one get one free face or lip. The foundations are cheaper, and after the coupon comes off, it's going to take off $6.99. It's going to make this one free. And then I also have this $4 off any Maybelline cosmetic, and this $10 off 35 Maybelline cosmetics. I have a total of $27.99 in coupons. That's going to bring me down to $7.97 out of pocket, and I'm going to get back a $15 extra care book, making this about a $7 money maker. Next what I'm going to do is the Gold Bond. It's spend 20, get a $10 extra care book. I'm going to pick up one of these for $12.79. I'm going to pair it with this Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. This one is priced at $7.49. That's going to bring my total to $20.28. I'm going to use these two $3 off of one that I printed from coupons.com, and this $2 off of 10 any body lotion. That's going to take off $8, bring me to $12.28. I'm going to get back $1.50 for this one on Ibotta, $2.50 for the other one, and a $10 extra care book. Next, I'm going to pick up our 2 of these Secret Clinical Straight deodorants. One's going to be $9.79 and one's going to be half off. That's going to bring me to $14.68. I'm going to use 2 of these $1 off Secret Clinical deodorants. This $4 off 2 CRT, and this $3 off 2 Select deodorant. That's going to take off $11 and leave me to pay $3.68 for 2. 2 of these U by Kotex. This week they're buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 get a $2 extra care book. I'm going to pick up one at $1.89 and one at 95 cents. And then that's going to bring me to $2.84. And then I'm going to pair that with 2 of these Summer's Eve. These are $3.99. Also, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care book. So I'm going to pick up one at $3.99, one at $1.99. That's going to bring me to $5.98. I'm going to use 2 of these dollar off one manufacturer coupons. So that's going to bring me down to $3.98, and then I'm going to get back a $3 extra care book. But I'm going to pair it with the U by Kotex deal. And I'm going to use a 3 off of 3. Tampons or pads CRT, which I'll pop on the screen, and that's going to take off a total of $5, leaving me to pay $3.82, and I'll get back a $5 extra care book. 3 for the Summer's Eve, 2 for the U by Kotex, making it a $1.82 moneymaker. Next I'm going to do is the CoverGirl. This week it's buy 2 get a $7 extra care book. I'm going to pick up one of these at $8.69, and then I'm going to pick up one of these mascaras at $7. That's going to bring me to $15.69. I'm going to use this 3 off of 15 CoverGirl, this 3 off of 1 CoverGirl eye product, and this 3 off of 1 CoverGirl face product. That's going to take off $9, leave me to pay $6.69, and I'll get back a $7 extra care book, making it a 31-cent moneymaker. I'm going to pick up one of these Oral-B toothbrush priced at $5.79. I have a $2 digital that's going to bring me down to $3.79. I'm going to get a $3 extra care book for buying one, and $1 on Ibotta, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. First transaction that I did was the Summer's Eve, the U by Kotex, and the CoverGirl. Here is the receipt. There's the CoverGirl, 2 for $7. I only picked up one at $7. The U by Kotex was $1.89. The other one was half off at 95 cents. Summer's Eve, one was $3.99 and the other one was half off at $1.99. CoverGirl product was $8.69, which is the compact. And then I also picked up an Oral-B toothbrush in this transaction. Some of them this week are buy one get a $3 extra care book, and we have a $2 digital attaching. My store only had a few tags up, So I grabbed a toothbrush in hopes that the digital would come off and I would get the extra care buck, but I didn't. This toothbrush wasn't counting towards that deal, so I just returned it. But I'm going to go ahead and go through this receipt and then we'll go over the final numbers with that return at the end. So all of my manufacturer coupons went through, my CRTs went through, the 3 off of 15 CoverGirl, 3 off of 3 Feminine Care, and I rolled $14 in extra care bucks, paid the $2.29 plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a 94% savings, and then I did get the $7 extra care buck back for the CoverGirl, the 2 back for the U by Kotex, and the 3 back for the Summer's Eve that I rolled into the second transaction. Second transaction was the Maybelline. I had some really good CRTs and coupons for the Maybelline. So let's go over the receipt for those 4 items. There are the 2 Fit Me at $8.49 and then the 2 liquid lipsticks at $9.79. So I had $1.50 off of the face, $2 off of the lip, $1.50 off the face, $2 for the lip, and then I had a buy one get one free Maybelline product. The foundations are cheaper, and when you take the $1.50 off the foundation, the total comes to $6.99. When you take the $2 off of the Maybelline lip, the total comes to $7.79. So I figured $6.99 would come off with that coupon, but it only took off $6.49. I'm not sure why, but my math was off by 50 cents in the store. The 10 off of 35 did come off. In the beginning, I'm sorry, not in the beginning, but I tried this transaction the first time. It was showing that the 10 off of 35 was coming off on the cashier's end, but it was showing that I still owed $13.07. So she voided that transaction, re-rang it up, and then my 10 off of 35 did come off. My $4 off any Maybelline that printed for everybody at the Red Box this week came off. I rolled $6 in extra care bucks. I paid $3.07 plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a 92% savings. And then down here you will see that I did do the Maybelline deal 3 times. It's spend 12, get a $5 extra care buck. So I maxed out the limit and I got a $15 extra care buck that I rolled into the last transaction, which is these items right here. Here's the receipt right here. So here are the secret deodorants. They were buy one get one 50% off. One was $9.79, the other one was 50% off. The Gold Bond, this one right here was $7.49, and this one was $12.79. So the $2 off of one for the deodorants came off. The $3 off for the Gold Bonds came off. $4 off of 2 Secret Clinical. $3 off of 2 Select deodorant that printed for everybody at the Red Box. 2 off of 10 lotion. I rolled the $15 in extra care bucks from the Maybelline deal. I paid 96 cents plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a 98% savings, and I did get that $10 extra care buck back for spending $20 on Gold Bond. So final numbers for everything. I started with $17 in extra care bucks on this card. I spent $6.90 on a Fetch Rewards gift card. After I did the return for the toothbrush, I got back 89 cents and $4.97 back in extra care bucks. So that brought my total down to $23.01 that I spent. I got back $23 in extra care bucks is what I'm ending with. I got back $4 on Ibotta, $2.50 for this and $1.50 for this one, and then I spent $71 in beauty in this transaction, which will get me a $6 beauty buck. So that brings me up to $33. I'm going to subtract the $23.01 that I spent on this, rolling extra care bucks and Fetch Rewards gift cards. That makes all of these items a $9.99 moneymaker. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.